Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change Agoda account name. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first thing that you need to do is open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Just click on it. You just have to type Agoda and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Agoda, and the Agoda official website interface will be shown to you. So this is the interface that is shown to you when you have logged in and signed up successfully. And when this interface is shown to you on your screen, you just have to look on the top right hand side. There will be a circular icon. Just click on it and a pop-up box will appear right in front of you and inside my account section, and in the bottom part there will be profile. So you just have to click on the profile and the profile section will be appeared right in front of you, and on the right hand side there will be user details, and below the user details there is name. And when you look on the right hand side of the name, there will be an edit button. You just have to click on the edit button. Now you can delete your previous name or remove your previous name and enter the new first name and new last name, and you can just click on the save button and you will be able to change the account name. So this is how you can easily change Agoda account name. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.